1 or 2 panels on each side, so you need to do a reverse linked stitch. And that's because in order to make everything line up the right way, you have to fasten off at the end of the second short row. And now we have to come back from this direction and fill in this space. So it's a little bit different than how you did your linked stitch. So I'm just going to begin by attaching my yarn. If I were really doing this for the pattern, I would attach my yarn here in this stitch and work all the way across. But just to save some time, I'm going to just start in the middle of the row here. So I chain 2 and do a half double crochet in the same stitch. Now you half double crochet in each stitch until the stitch before the linked or the short row. So this is where the short row is. So we're going to work all the way up into the stitch prior to that. So here's the stitch right before the short row. Going to yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, and you'll have 3 loops on the hook, and then we are going to insert our hook into the first stitch of the short row. So it's the first stitch on the first row of the short row. So just insert your hook into that space, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook, leaving you 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. Now when we did the regular linked stitch, we inserted our hook into 3 different stitches. For this one, you're just inserting your hook into 2 different stitches, and then you are going to continue along the very top of the short row. So just yarn over and complete your half double crochet in the first stitch of the short row, and just continue to work all the way across.